கொடஞன் குடியிருந்த வீடும் கொடுத்த விடுதெய்வம் தேடியும் மள்ளி கொடுத்த அழகன் அறிவூட்டும் வெள்ளி விளக்கே விளக்கே
Thought for the day. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. Thank you. Have a nice day.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள். பொறையுடைமை மிகுதியான் மிக்கவை செய்தாரை தாம் தம் தகுதியான் வென்றுவிடல். பொருள்: மனச்செருக்கினால் தீமை செய்தவரை தாம் தம்முடைய பொறுமையினாலே வென்று விடுதல் வேண்டும். நன்றி.
Good morning to one. I am J. Arierson from class 3. I am going to tell proverb. A fairness Michael Tanner's word. கத்தி முனையை விட பேனா முனை வலிமை வாய்ந்தது. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. I am Dinolia. Today I am going to speak on the topic discipline. Discipline in simple language means to obey rules. It is something that keeps you under control. It is of two types. One is induced discipline and second is induced self-discipline. Induced discipline is the one that is taught by others and it will come from outside. For example, in school we maintain discipline by following certain rules, such as we cannot talk during assembly. We focus on prayers and other announcements. We obey these rules taught by our teachers. Self-discipline is something which we learn by ourselves and it comes from within. We set our own rules which we think are good. For example, waking up early in the morning 7 days a week to study or to offer our prayers to God. Here there is no outside pressure. We have set this rule for ourselves. Induced discipline is usually followed in a group and it is comparatively easy to maintain. But self-discipline requires motivation and support of others to maintain because there is no external pressure to follow your own rules. Discipline helps us to train our mind and body. It impacts a person's personality positively. It helps a person to get a lot of opportunities in the professional areas as the disciplined person is considered hardworking too. Our lives are incomplete without discipline. Hence, it is one of the elements of our lives. It may look difficult to make it a part of our lives, but gives a lot of benefits once we adopt it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is K.S. Sikendran. I am studying 7th standard A section in Alagappa Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today I am going to sing a devotional song. Mushika Vahana Modaha Hasta Samara Karuna Virambira Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra Vitna Vinaya Pada Namaste Sashti-noka Saravana Bhavana Shishtar Kudavam Zengadiveram Padamirandil Panmani Chadangai Edam Bada Ginginiada Mayan Nadanam Sayum Mayil Vaganam கையில் வேதாளனைக்காக வென்று வந்து வர வர வேலாயுடனார் வருக 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 மயிலும் வருக இந்திரன் உடலா எந்திசை போற்ற மந்திர வடிவேல் வருக வருக வாசவன் வருக 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 நேச குரமகள் நினைவோம் வருக ஆறுமுகம் படைத்த ஐயா வருக நீரிதும் மேலவன் நித்தம் வருக சிறகிரி வேலவன் சீக்கிரம் வருக சரவண பவனார் சடுதியில் வருக. ஓம் சரவண. தேங்க்யூ எவ்ரிபடி.
Morning students. Class 7 conducted the assembly very well. Congratulations to class 7 students, those who have participated. As I have been telling you continuously, assembly is a very good chance for you to show your skill, whatever you may be good at. Please come up with your ideas, talk to the teacher, and then you can send your videos so that it will be a great joy for you. Right. This week is an exam week. You are all writing your exam. Let me give you small tips. Many students are not doing it. In your subject, when you send the email, you are sending your answer sheets in the email. Okay, in the subject place, you have to write your name, class, and which subject. For example, Sugumar is studying class 7 means Sugumar, class 7, science exam or maths exam, like that, mathematics, like that. Subject name should be written in the subject column, in the email, so that it will be easy for us to see, take attendance. It will be very easy for us, right? So you please do that while writing the examination. After writing the exam, you please send the answers to the email ID, mentioning in the subject column your name, class, and the subject that you have written. Okay. Hope everybody is studying well. After this exam, next week onwards, we will be having a very good regular online class for 6 to 10, not only 6 to 10, 6 to 12. We will be having 5 periods in a day. Okay, you will be fully engaged in online class. I wish you all the best. Learn well. Whatever doubt you have, please talk to the teacher. Together we grow. Thank you. Have a great day.